There was one thing I was forgetting. So apparently you get a pass onto this ship as well. Now the opening times is 10 AM, so I have to wait a little while. But yeah, let's see how this goes. That does look nice. Ooh. Well, this was included in the tour, so even if it's terrible, it's free in a sense. So there's this deck, one below and two upstairs.
Alright, buddy.
One.
Quiet, isn't it?
Ah, yeah. Everyone's out, you know, enjoying the sun and the beers.
You want a cup of tea?
Ah, no, I'm good. Thank you.
Sure.
Ah, yeah, I'm good. Thanks. Yes, very friendly staff. He's nice. We were chatting there for a while.
So she was put on the barge and she was transported over from the Arm to Belfast.
Almost feels like something I've been on in Thailand. Like,
2006.
has a weird. I don't know if you can see it. It's like almost the middle is higher, and then it like divots off on both sides. Don't know if that's just normal shipbuilding or what they done in the day. Okay, I can go in here. That's pure darkness.
Of their history. Hopefully what we do now, the younger generations will continue to make sure that the heritage of the likes of the nomadic will continue.
And this is the last remaining, like Titanic is the last remaining White Star ship in the world.
The significance of having nomadic back in Belfast can't be underestimated.
It's essential that nomadic belongs nowhere else in the world.
It's very fitting that she
For one of the tours, I assume.
where she started life over 100 years ago. She survived more than 9 times, which was involved with collisions in her early years, 2 world wars. To be saved from
So there's a lift there.
to be butchered into a restaurant. She's a captain with 9 lives, or a ship with 9 lives. She's survived and she will survive.
Very elegant. Very classy. And there is some renovation going on the top 2 floors, so I only have limited access. Supplies from World War II. Grenades. Oh, World War I. Sorry, my apologies. The inner skeleton. Oh, has to change frame rate. So the inner skeleton. Crew living quarters. Yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be too fancy. So these are self-guided tours. I believe there are certain times when there are, that's creepy, when there are guided tours you can attend certain times of the day. Jesus. I assume that's a simulation of the anchor dropping. Would not like to hear that. Let's go upstairs, so. Oh, I didn't even notice this. I went to the bar, but I didn't notice this. Right. Let's take a few more wee steps upstairs. Is that the equivalent of checking your Instagram? Mind your step. And there's the renovation. Well, they have to keep it up to date and refurbished. I wasn't informed limited access, which is fine. You can still see it. Another entry point there. I've been on boats about the same size in Thailand, on Koh Phi Phi. There's something missing here, like there's not bad weather around Ireland and stuff. I assumed they would have been indoors. Access not permitted. And there's the Titanic Experience building there. And Belfast. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. So we will see what's happening on the next video.